Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make Discord video calls on desktop. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Discord application on my computer, and first of all we need to choose a friend we want to call. For example, I'm just going to call this friend on my Discord. I'm going to open the room chat, and then we're going to click on this video call icon to start the video call. I'm just going to tap on this icon and the video call will be started. My camera is active. Don't forget to turn on your camera and your microphone as well. And if you want to end the video call, you can click on disconnect. Okay guys, and that's how we can make Discord video call on desktop. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.